up, gentlemen? So today we're doing that super sexy male hormone testosterone a solid. We're also going to be talking about muscle growth because the truth is the two are very closely connected. A lot of the same things that you need to do in order to keep your testosterone at optimal levels are the same things that you need to do in order to have big, gigantic guns. Not that impressive? You get what I'm saying. Today, guys, I'm going over 7 easy ways to boost your testosterone and increase muscle growth without TRT. There's some easy things that we can do on a daily basis that are going to have a dramatic impact on our testosterone level, but also how we look naked in terms of our body and muscle mass, starting with number 1. Lift heavy shit! There's a direct correlation between you lifting heavy shit, lifting weights, and your body releasing testosterone, but all exercises were definitely not created equal. Squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, rows, shoulder press are the best in terms of exercises that are going to incorporate a lot of different muscles, right? A lot of different muscles are working to help you actually move that heavy ass weight through space, all right? And the truth is, these are the exercises that have been proven to be beneficial in terms of testosterone production and release while simultaneously helping your body get bigger, sexy, stronger, and more muscular. You lift the weights, you're releasing extra testosterone, you're breaking down the muscle tissue, which brings us to the second thing that is going to easily increase your testosterone while simultaneously helping you build more muscle, and that is your diet. Guys, there are 3 things that you need to eat. Protein, lots of it. Healthy fats are also critical for your testosterone levels to be optimal. You know what else isn't? And don't hit me if you're paleo. Carbs. Carbs are not the devil. They're okay. Actually, they're more than okay. They're amazing and essential for testosterone production and muscle building, not to mention packing those muscles full of glucose and glycogen. It's all about eating a well-balanced, healthy diet, not extreme one way or the other, because that has actually been linked to lower testosterone production. You overeating or undereating and starving yourself is going to have a dramatic impact on not only your testosterone level, but also your muscle mass gaining. Every day after I work out, guys, I drink a protein shake, all right? The protein that I've been using now for over a year is Beam. Beam is super clean. The aminos are amazing. Beam protein, honestly, is the best I've ever tasted and tried, all right? It's 110 calories, 25 grams of protein, prebiotic fiber, gluten and soy-free, but it also has digestive enzymes. Guys, it is super high-quality stuff. Now, the vanilla soft serve is amazing, but the salted peanut butter, if you guys like peanut butter, there's like nothing like this on the market. I'm going to link to everything down below. There's also going to be a limited time discount code. So if you're interested, grab the protein, give it a try. I'm telling you, the salted peanut butter, next level. But with this, the vanilla soft serve, I make what I call the lemon creamsicle. So this is an Alpha M original concoction. I call it the lemon creamsicle protein shake. All right. What I'm going to use is the Beam vanilla soft serve protein. Also some almond milk. Almond milk is amazing. It is low cal, delicious, and it doesn't have lactose. I'm also going to be using some lemon concentrate along with 1 pack of sweetener. I fill the cup about halfway up with ice, and then I cover the ice with the almond milk, all right? I don't go like overboard because when I blend it up, this gets like really thick like a milkshake, and it's delicious. I then add 1.5 scoops of the vanilla soft serve Beam protein. I also then add about 2 tablespoons of the lemon extract. And because I like things a little sweeter, I add 1 pack of monk fruit. I blend it up, and then it is ready to enjoy. I'm telling you guys, this is not only creamy, it is delicious, and if you like lemon, this is a game changer. The shake is 35 grams of power-packed, muscle-building, and testosterone-boosting protein, and the calories are about 200. Incredible. Something else for you guys out there that like a pre-workout, the Beam pre-workout is next level in terms of a natural, clean energy that's not going to make you all like crazy and jittery, all right? They use natural caffeine, which means you're going to get all the added benefits of a pre-workout like energy and focus and the ability to lift more without the crash. Guys, this pre-workout tastes amazing. If you guys lift and take a pre-workout, I'm going to link to this down below along with the protein. Guys, hit the link, check out Beam, all right? Like I said, there is a limited time discount code, and if you take protein and you like peanut butter, the salted peanut butter, insane. The third easy thing that you can do to increase your testosterone level naturally and get better, bigger, sexier muscles is to sleep more, all right? Now, what is sleeping more? More than 5 hours a night. Because there was a study that showed that dudes that slept 5 hours a night had a reduction in their testosterone level by 15%. When you're sleeping, that is when your body is doing work, right? It is doing all sorts of things that it needs to do in order to help you be awesome, kick ass, build muscle, testosterone, rocking and rolling. The other incredible thing about sleep is that if you're not getting enough, your cortisol levels will start to rise. As your cortisol levels goes up, guess what goes down? Your testosterone level goes crashing. You know what else crashes? Your muscle mass, which brings us to number 4. Namaste, drop me one of these. That was that. Come on, did you dig? That actually reduces stress surprisingly. Gentlemen, give it a try. Did you? Please? It helps? Thank you. All right. So the truth is, guys, you gotta chill out, all right? Because there is actually a direct correlation between cortisol's catabolic effect on your body, because that's what cortisol does. It is a catabolic effect. Catabolic. Think of it as muscle munching, like not good stuff. Catabolic is bad. Anabolic is good. Catabolic makes things smaller and shrink in your body, not able to actually pack on the lean, sexy muscle that it needs to. And cortisol has a catabolic effect on your body and muscle growth, which means that if you get your stress under control, a little more meditation, a little more petting puppies and kittens, something else that you can control, which is easy to increase and elevate your testosterone level, is vitamin D and zinc. So I'm about to toss you some unbelievable statistics, all right? 50% of dudes in the US are deficient in vitamin D. What does this mean? Does it mean they're not being outside enough because the sun gives you vitamin D, right? It also gives you skin cancer. In order to get enough vitamin D, you would have to stay outside a long time. And so it's much easier to, on a daily basis, supplement about 3,000 IUs of vitamin D a day. Research has found when you do this, your testosterone level, ready for this? It goes up 25%. Vitamins A, C, and E, important for your hormone production, but zinc, zinc is a big one. A lot of people that are deficient in zinc actually have reduced testosterone levels. Look for a multivitamin that says whole foods or made from whole foods on the label, all right? Much more absorbable, but zinc, D, the best. The next tip to increase your testosterone by like a big margin and actually see your muscles and your hard work a lot better is to actually reduce your body fat, all right? The more body fat you have, the lower your testosterone level. Also, you're not gonna be able to see your muscles, all right? There was a crazy study. The Journal of Clinical Endocrinology had this report that blew my mind. Are you ready for this? Men between the ages of 14 and 20 that were obese, technically obese in terms of like obesity scale, like percentage in terms of body fat, had a 50% lower testosterone levels than dudes the same age that are not obese. Guys, the deal is, if you are overweight, you got to get it under control. Not only are you going to look better, you're going to feel better. Your body is going to be healthier, and your testosterone is going to go through the roof. Not to mention, as you start to reduce that body fat, some other super cool things are going to happen. Your wiener is going to get bigger because you're actually reducing the fat that is pushing out. Now you're like, what? Wait, huh? Here's the deal, all right? This is your wiener. It's attached to your body, right? Here's your body, right? As you gain fat, look what happens. Boom, yeah. Big Al's getting a little bit smaller, but as you lose weight, what? As if making Al a little bigger isn't reason enough. The other reason is that you're going to look and feel amazing. I'm talking next freaking level. Is it easy? No. Is it critical that you figure it the fuck out and do it and execute, gentlemen? Yes. The next thing that's going to help you, boom, testosterone and bang, your muscles is actually reduce the amount of alcohol and drugs you're taking. You're like, wait a second, Alpha, can't I smoke a little bit of weed? You can do whatever you want. Me, I choose not to because I want to be healthy. I also want my testosterone to be boom and my muscle to be bang, because research has shown that as you drink, as you smoke weed, as you take drugs, bang and boom, gentlemen, it's dropping like a rock. Alcohol F's up your hormone level, gentlemen. You know, the occasional beer, no big deal, but if you are somebody that routinely and regularly goes out and drinks, chances are you also have man boobs. Your body fat is going to go up because there's a direct correlation between drinking, eating like crap, and developing man boobs. Not to mention, alcohol contributes to protein breakdown. Breakdown of proteins, not good in terms of muscle gaining. Gentlemen, if you want to get your testosterone boom and your muscles bang, you got to chill with the booze and also give up the weed. And that, gentlemen, is how you are going to increase and boost your testosterone while simultaneously growing those big ass sexy guns, which are sexy. And you know what else is sexy? All those spicy ass senoritas that are gonna be like, damn, I can almost smell the testosterone emanating from your pores in that body. Are you kidding me? Have you seen his glutes of steel? Yeah, that's what I'm freaking talking about. Squats, baby. Build the booty. Luscious booty. Also, squats increase test, which is luscious as well. Lusciously oozing from your pores.